Introducing the Honesty Prokit. Empower your child to limit screen time and unlock hours of play, learning, and happiness. This comprehensive kit includes 1. A thrilling card game. Learn to limit screen time through fun competition. 2. Giant character guess sticker mat. Engage with lovable characters and develop problem-solving skills. 3. Fat Power Read book. Humorous stories teaching screen time balance, communication, and reading skills. 4. Laugh bookmark. Read at your own pace and track progress. 5. Speed read audio code, which improves reading speed and pronunciation. With the Honesty Prokit, your child will enjoy honesty is the best policy, improved reading skills, enhanced communication, and hours of engaging fun. Get your Honesty Prokit today and start nurturing a balanced, happy child.